Yo guys, how's it going? Just a quick video here on trailer music layering and how you can add other different drum layers to create a huge sound, which is, extremely striking, and when the listener hears it, really draws the attention into that sound at that moment. So if we just have a quick listen through the track, and then I'll home in on a few elements that I'm going to be speaking about. So there is the track at the moment. However, we're going to be focusing on a little bit of a section here right at the end where we have, we have a strike, that's otherwise known as a Bram, which are, they're everywhere in trailer music. They're still quite heavily used. However, it isn't something which tend to be a trend at the moment. Like, it used to be a few years back, but at the moment, we're going to home in on this little bit of section here, and we're going to speak about the drum hits which are happening here and here as well, which create this thick low end layer for the track, which I said, it makes the section really stand out to the listener. So if we just isolate the Bram on its own, and we're just going to first hear it with just the low end pooms. Okay, and now we're going to add, a trailer hit, which is this one here. See what it sounds like. Okay, so that's sounding huger again. However, I'm gonna use, which is something I tend to do quite a lot in the tracks that I create, is I use kick drums from the genre at EDM or dubstep music. I just personally really enjoy how it just adds that whole other dimension to the music, and kind of giving it that feel of maybe it's like a house track or something, but you don't want it too obvious. I just use it to just add in the extra layer in the low end of the track. So now we're going to hear with that and see what it sounds like. And if you hear them on their own, they sound really obvious what's going on. And just one more time. And we'll just completely just isolate them on their own, see what they sound like. Yep. So, and again, with the whole track in context, let's have a listen. So as you can hear, the whole thing sounds, really full and wide. However, if we strip out some of those elements from, from the track itself and just hear them without, the other trailer hits in and see what's happening again. And if you hear it like that, it's almost as if you're hearing something that was happening earlier on in the track, like at the intro or just after the intro, where that tension is kind of building up and you're trying to create that that transition into something which is a lot more larger. So let's strip out the other sections here, the low end hits. Let's get rid of those. And again, you know, the thing is about layering drums is that it's so crucial in the development of music. You know, when you're creating Trilla music, you know, a lot of the sections in the songs are all about the drums and how the drums, you know, develop and end up creating a climax where, you know, it's like that end and boom, 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 boom. And other stuff, you know, it is so crucial that you understand that how layering works and how to use it effectively, and also when to use it at the right times. Like, you know, if you were to have like extreme heavy layers happening right at the beginning of a quiet trailer track, you know, you might only just use a section like this, you know, where you've got something happening, which is just really, really gentle and subtle, like an intro or something, you know. You know, where that's just extremely subtle, there's not a lot happening, and you can also add in other instruments like this. And if you wanted to have an example of where that was like earlier on in the track, you would just simply take out these hi-hat sounds. So there you have it, guys. That is Trilla music layering and how it can be used in a track to really, really strike the listener's attention into what you are trying to create in your Trilla music projects. And you know, this is something you can totally experiment on your own, and you can try out your own things, your own layers, your own sounds, and even create something new as well, which is always interesting. But if you have enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you again in the next one. But all the best, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you soon.